Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and welcome to Virginia Bonsai. We're doing a quick check in one of the 3 tents. These are some of our tropical plants. They're looking healthy and good. Also, we've been working outside today doing winter maintenance. So you can see all our winter trees are loving it outside. They're dropping leaves, they're changing colors, they're not changing colors, they're all doing different things. So as you can see, we have winterized it. We have fresh chips down. We got humidity trays under all of them. Oh, check that out. We're going to do something special with that broke pot. Involves gold. So if you're familiar with the bonsai technique, then you're familiar with bonsai pots. So we're going to do something special with that in the future. Make sure you stay tuned to that. As you see, we're doing some straightening. All the trees are looking healthy and good. And we got a little forest right here that's going to just take off this spring. So, and on this side we got some nice trees, some pines, junipers, some cypress, some red cedar. So, you know, there's so many applications when you're in Virginia. There's a lot of natural trees outside, and you know, I have quite a bit of land to get my own trees, as you can see, and we just dug a couple up today, and we're just trying to make everything fit in here nicely and rearrange and do things to make it a little bit better, and the clutter underneath, and it just gets better day by day. So we had to open up the tent and get the humidity and the temperature down. As you can see, that was a little humid in here and a little too hot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and as always, happy growing in bonsai.